What's good, my people? I'm back again with another lace up video. So this one is, as you can see, the off-white out of office sneakers, the low top version. The way they're laced up, I don't really like. I'm a bit funny with laces, so I thought, let me just relace them, make them a bit better, and do the video as well, 2 in 1. So yeah, I'm gonna do this shoe because usually I do the right shoe. First things first, gotta unlace this. This bit's easy because it unclips literally. It's not tied in, so you can put it on, take it off as you please. So let's undo that. Undo that. So if you can't tell already, it's laced like around, which I just don't like for some strange reason. I've never liked it. I think it feels a bit weird. It doesn't look completely correct to me. I have to unlace a lot of sneakers, trainers, or relace nearly everything I buy. But yeah, so we'll leave the bottom bit in. The laces, they are the correct length, so I don't need to adjust them or anything. And then what I'll do is I'll go underneath right there, and then again we'll go underneath right there. So as you can see here, it's laced over and over and over. I'm going to be doing it under over. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the 5th one, let's do 4, and then we go through, and then we go through again. Lovely. And again, and again. So I'm going to keep them here. I'm not going to do it to the top because I feel like it feels a bit strange around the ankle if I do it to the top. Like this one, it's done to the top. I don't really like that. Then I'm just going to lace it as such. And that already feels so much better. It just feels more natural, more proper to me. I don't want to wear this on, but if I did want to, or if you did want to, you can just literally stick it here, through there, and then there we go. So you've also got the label on. You can move it around, make it higher, lower, etc. But yeah, let me know how you would wear them. Would you lace them up like this, or would you lace them up like I did, which already feels 10 times better? But yeah, make sure you check out the review. Make sure you check out all the other reviews on foot, lace ups. There's over 1,000 videos for you to go watch. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.